Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. This machine starts up and it runs and operates well. The deck paint has been touched up, but the deck is in good operating condition. The spindles are all operating as they should. The deck is in good mechanical shape. It is missing the pulley covers. The plastic pulley covers are missing on this machine. The hydrostatic pump is in good operating condition. It works well. Has a 23 horsepower Kawasaki engine with a heavy-duty air filtration system. Engine starts up and runs and operates well. Cup holder, battery. This is your console with your key switch blade engagement, your controls, your choke, and your throttle. And this is your deck adjustment. Rear tires are about 60% life left. It's a good running and operating machine. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.